Are you facing obstacles in your love marriage? Then there is nothing to worry about. We have brought a powerful wazifa to convince parents for love marriage for you. Sometimes it is very difficult to convince in laws, but this does not mean that you cannot marry your love. You must always remember that every problem has a solution. Inshallah, you can read the dua to make parents agree for love marriage after Isha prayer. Wazifa to make parents agree for love marriage. If you want to convince your parents or those of your partner to marry you love, then you must do this powerful wazifa with its full procedure. Also, read wazifa for love marriage in 3 days. You can also get help from the Islamic astrologers by clicking the WhatsApp button below to find an instant solution to your problems, because it is very dolorous when we love someone and our parents are against it. This is a situation in which one can feel hopeless, but the best part is our holy Quran Sharif has a solution for this dua to marry someone you love. You just need to be patient and follow the steps given below. Step by step procedure of doing wazifa to convince parents for love marriage. Make a fresh ablution after the Isha prayer. Start reading Surah Ikhlas. Now you have to recite the dua for love marriage to agree parents. Finally pray to Allah for the success of your marriage. Do this wazifa regularly for 3 days. Important notice: women should not practice this wazifa during their menstruation. Also, you shouldn't stop this wazifa in the middle. Even if you get the desired result, performing this wazifa for parents to agree for love marriage will surely start giving result in 3 days. Still, if you have any kind of problem, you can contact Maulana Fakir Ali for help. Dua to convince parents for love marriage. Are your parents against your love marriage? Then try reading this dua to agree parents for love marriage. This is a very powerful dua and you will definitely benefit from reading this. Remember to recite this Islamic dua for love marriage 500 times after the namaz. By performing this dua, you will show Allah that you really want His help and want to marry your love. And then, in the blink of an eye, your marriage problem will be gone. No matter how worse the situation is, your parents or in-laws will agree to the marriage. One important thing for your dua to get married soon be accepted is to never lose hope and entrust everything to Allah's word. Many people pray to Allah, but He answers only to those who really have faith in Him and have clear thoughts and hearts. Conclusion: Allah Swat and our parents love us. They never want anything bad for us. If they don't agree with the marriage, then you shouldn't get angry. You should first talk to them and clear up any misunderstanding if you have them. And if you still do not get any positive results, then with deep faith, ask Allah for help by making this wazifa for love marriage to agree parents. Inshallah, everything will get fine soon. Don't forget to share this dua with those in need. Also, comment on your views on how to convince parents for marriage below.